Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another daily vlog. I am Barber Teezy. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I make barber vlogs pretty much every day, except for I've missed a couple days, but pretty much every day. So, welcome to the journey of the barber life. You know what I'm saying? Through the eyes of me, Barber Teezy. So, welcome to the vlog. We are headed to the shop. It's currently like 9:50. I need to drop off our ballots at the drop box. There's a drop box by the shop. Need to do that. I'll check the new drip on the watch, which I think you like it. So I bought a new gold watch band and case for my Apple Watch. I like it. It's nice and heavy. I'll do a review on that. I bought that one and a black one. And then I also got some other stuff. Got some combs, some flat top combs, and a bunch of brushes. So I'll open those at the shop for you guys, and then yeah, anyways, let's get started. Let's go to the shop. I shouldn't even have to tell y'all how important this is right now for y'all to be voting. Okay, so we're gonna pull the ballots out, and I got them in my secret stiz ass. Boom, we got both of ours. You know what I'm saying? Both of them. I need to do y'all part and go and vote. Please, if you can vote, please go vote. It is a big election this year. Make sure y'all do y'all part and go vote. Okay, one more time, Dennis.
No.
Come on, Dennis.
Crazy.
You almost beat up a guy at the grocery store over 3 pounds of Hershey Kisses.
I didn't do that. Didn't say a word to him.
Oh, don't act shy now, Dennis. Ain't nobody finna do nothing to you. Whose phone is going off like that?
Freddy's?
Get a job. Oh, that thing sounds like it's about to blow up. Fucking Dennis is a badass, bro.
I was when I was younger.
What was the family name you worked for?
Lario.
That's straight.
I still can't believe you got paid $10,000 to punch somebody through a screen door.
He wouldn't have got hit if he'd have paid me.
Huh?
Said he wouldn't have got hit if he would have paid me.
That's fair.
He
Did you
just
tell
didn't want
him
to
that? Like, hey, listen here, if you don't pay me, I'm finna punch you through the screen door.
No, I didn't say that. I just told him if you don't pay, you know what's going to happen. He said, I don't have it. I punched him. Put him up.
Now you work for the mafia.
And guess what? You don't say anything for 10 years.
See, it's been more than 50 years, so you're alright, Dennis.
Well,
Tell me
I
the
know
juice.
now. Hell, everyone I dealt with are all dead.
Did you kill him?
No, in old age. Pete was in his 50s when I worked for him.
Bro.
Sus.
That was
Killed him in the 60s.
Damn.
See, that was.
Alright, young Tamer said he wanted the Cancun cut.
10 years old.
Going to Cancun. There you go, my brother.
Thanks, bro.
Alright, YouTube. So I got some, like I said, I got some packages I want to show you guys that we got. So I ordered some flat top combs. Got a 6-piece set. I already opened one and used it. I used the black one. But here's how they look. It comes with 3 colors: red, white, and black, which happens to be my favorite colors. But yeah, so they're super thick, good quality. Got the same style as like the Andis ones that come with the clippers, or that you get in a barber school, whatever. I'm finally gonna retire my old ones. This is my old Andis one that I was still using. It's finally time to let it go. But if you look at comparison on these, they're like the exact same.
One package, maybe 2.
So not a difference in the shape or size. These ones are a little bit thicker than the Andis ones. You guys can see on the teeth right there. So, but these are super solid. I'll link all these below so you guys can get them yourself. It was super cheap too. I think I spent like, I don't even remember. I'm gonna look on there, but they're cheap. But we got those ones, and then I ordered these carbon 6-piece carbon combs. And on the thing, it didn't have any branding or anything. It was just blank carbon combs, but when I got them, they're all Tony and Guys, which is pretty tight. We all know that's a pretty good brand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And these ones are similar to the YS Park combs, which I have right here. So here's your YS Park comb, right? And then here's your Tony and Guy. So it's a little bit smaller, but you kind of see the same style. You know, with the holes up top. You got the parting tooth on the side. Like I said, this one's shorter, but they feel pretty close to the same. The teeth on this feel pretty strong. I think the YS Park still feels a little bit stronger and a little bit more sturdy. But this is the YS Park, the YS 336 is the one I'm comparing it to, and this one is a Tony and Guy 606415. But I think the teeth on this one are a little bit finer. Well, they might be the same. Yeah, they're the same. But I'm excited for these because I got 6 of these. I'm gonna throw away a bunch of combs and just minimize to just using these ones and the flat top combs. So I got those. Got 6 of those, and then I ordered a bunch of these. Got 12 of these. The little fade brushes, you know. They're like nail brushes, but I got 12 of them. You can see them right here. Super good for cleaning your clippers off. Super good for cleaning your clippers off. But what I like to use them for is fading, because then I can transition these out instead of using just my big fade brush. I can transition these out, and these are really good for like coarse hair, for clearing hair out. So I usually soak these in low level for like 20 minutes before we start using them, because it softens the bristles up a lot. But
those are the same as
well, so yeah, so I got these. These are 12 of these. Like I said, I'll link all these below so that you guys can get some yourself if you want to. They are Amazon links, so I do get a little bit of a commission off of it if you guys buy from them. So if you want to help the channel out, give me a couple bucks. Go ahead and hit the link below and buy some of these. But now we're waiting for our next customer at 12. So let's get into it. Let's go. I'm telling you, bro, one day I'm cutting that shit off. One day. Mark my words. One day I'm cutting that off. He said, before you die, for sure. All this tight shit, I'm like, I don't want to wear that to the barbershop. I'm gonna fuck it up getting hair on.
I got shirts galore.
There's no point.
I got pants. I got shoes. I only got work shoes.
That's all I do. So what am I supposed to
I only
do?
got work shoes unless I'm asleep, unless I go out. That's when I put my night shoes.
And ain't nobody going out right now, so there's no point.
Oh, shit. Trying my hardest.
You just start a collection.
Let me see that haircut.
What from Nate's tattooing now? From the over
The
at.
one of this fool's birthday popped up on my phone the other day.
I hit that
Damn.
that one too, bro. He was the camera. Oh, you're talking about that one. I'm talking about the one where we were still in the house. That was the year before that one. Now where we left, we were still suited and booted from work. That wasn't the same as that one. I know which one T talking about.
Like 2 years before.
T talking about the one where they start taking shots off of Chi-Chi's titties and stuff like that. That's the one you talking about.
Fucking here I am.
Yeah, I'm talking about water.
Got a gang of alcohol in his mouth and shit. Who's gonna catch a DUI? How did I knew that was coming? How did I know that was coming? Might as well just took the sprayer off.
Well, I thought it was like, there was like a little bit of air.
She's like, oh my god, is it gonna rain?
You know I gotta get him every time he comes in. With something. With something. You know I gotta get his ass with something every time he comes in. Let's go.
It's a home run. Sealed the deal for us. Never had an iPhone, so what?
That's what I'm saying. So I waited because I'm like, I know. So I get this 11. So they're like, surprise, iPhone 12. So now I'm like, okay, iPhone 12 just came out.
Watch.
At least 6 months.
As soon as you get it, bam, 12.5.
Nah, because they came out with like 4 different versions of the 12. So I'm like, this y'all's money low right here. This y'all's money low right here. He's coming.
Better watch it.
Bill's coming. All right. It's been a couple hours, doing a couple haircuts. I have about 45 minutes until my next appointment. So y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Oh shit. Cigar time. Let's go. What are we smoking on? What are we smoking on? Should I try this one? Ready?
Should you?
Yeah.
That's gonna take longer than 45 minutes.
Think so?
You power smoking, huh? Full.
No.
I could see you were walking back.
What about the Olivia?
You're walking to the door.
So here's my theory on it, right? My favorite ones, I smoke when I know I'm gonna have 2 hours. And nobody's gonna fuck with me.
But I don't have none to smoke then. I like all these.
You know what I mean? Like you gotta pick which one you like the best. Like if that's the one you like the best, that's the one you smoke at home. When you get to chill out, have a drink, have your whiskey with it.
I'm gonna smoke this one. I'm gonna smoke the Olivia just because
So
this is my most basic one in there.
they have smaller ones, bro.
I know, but he didn't have any in stock. This is the smallest one he had.
They have like the G's and the
Yeah.
C's, and like they're all like different. Like the G's are tight, bro, because they're like this. They're like this big, and they're real fucking good. Like perfect.
Should we just run across the street? Are you done for the day?
Yep.
Should we just run across the street real quick? Get a little baby joint? That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go across the street. I'm gonna get a couple baby cigars. I'm not trying to burn this long joint real quick. I'd rather just wait and enjoy it at my house. So, see y'all when we get back. All right, so we ended up getting a little pack of the red Dot Cohibas, the minis. Let's see what we got here. Pretty dope. So, light one up. All right, YouTube. Cigar time is over. I finished my last haircut. I didn't film it. Sorry about it. But I did get some bad news today. Recently in my vlog, one of my customers. Do you guys remember the Tiger Woods kid? The kid that bet me on the golf shop to buzz his hair off for a free haircut. I'll put the clip in right here. Okay, so check it out. So I got an interesting bet for my man David right here. So he said, I said, how's your putt game? He said what?
Cold with it.
Cold with it. He said he's Tiger Woods. So Tiger Woods, I'm challenging you right now. Best two out of three.
Right.
We'll shoot 3 shots. Whoever make the most out of those 3 wins the bet. Here's the bet. You win, free haircut. I win, I chop all your hair off.
Alright.
Ooh! Ooh!
Alright.
Let's go. Let me set the camera up. Hold on. I'm gonna set the camera up. We're gonna be right with you. But unfortunately, I got the news that when was that, Freddie? Last week? He tragically passed away in a car accident. So I'm gonna end the vlog with a moment of silence for my boy. His name was David Collins. Rest in peace to the young man. He died way too early. I think he was like 21, if that. So gonna end the vlog with a moment of silence. I'm not gonna lie, that kind of hurts a little bit. That was a cool kid, but you never know. So hug your loved ones, all that good stuff. You never know when it's your time. So moment of silence for the boy. I will see y'all later. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.